思い出したあの日をなぞればなんとなくまた戻れそうになって
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today, as you guys saw in the first clip, we got car part. Singular, one car part. For today, we are going to wash the car, get it ready for a shoot tomorrow. For the shoot tomorrow, it's going to be for the brand, of course. You guys are finally going to get to see Phung, and it's going to be an amazing weekend. For today, though, we are just going to add something little to the car because it's the little things that count with the car. From there, I do have two things to install on my car today. First, we need to wash the car first because I need to use a lot of 3M tape. Oh. Oh. Alright, now the car is done being washed. Let's find out what I got for my car. So, alright, so I already opened it. It is, oh shit, a rear window visor. So, there's sweat in my eyes. It should go on just like this. Hopefully, it looks a little bent. But let me go grab some tape and get this mocked up for you guys. And let me know what you guys think. Alright, we have a few seconds before it goes crazy. But, do you guys think it's a little overkill? But I kind of like it. The reason why I bought this rear window visor is because when I went to go get my car tinted, as you can tell, it's a straight line. I don't get it. They didn't tint the whole thing, but I guess it has to do with these little dots. Let me know in the comments why they did that. Or if they just got lazy and did my car all fucked up, right? But it doesn't look half bad. Let's see. Oh shit! Does this touch? Oh, bless. Okay. One more walk around with it. Doesn't look too bad. I think I might just throw it on. Guys. It fell off right when I turned it off. No! Oh. Can't even see it on camera. No. Alright, but guys, I do have another thing to install on my car. I had it set up already, but I wanted to make sure I recorded it for you guys. But it is one of those easy lips, right? The easy spoilers, I guess. But what I wanted to do is add a little bit more character to my car. So I wanted it to do this. Basically wanted to add a little lip on top of the spoiler like this. There is end caps, so this gap would be filled Same for this side as well. Once it's installed, there'll be a little cap that fits perfectly. Ah, shit! Alright. Oh, shit! Oh! Car too clean. Car too clean. Everything slides off. But I mean, I will install it and I will install it regardless. But you guys let me know. Alright, so let's go on and go ahead and install it. Let me put you guys down and we will get this going. Alright guys, it's officially installed right there. So it has these two little clips right here that's held on. And then this part is rubber. And it clips on right here again. This is plastic. And plastic, but rubber. But I do like how it does dip in like this. I don't know. Wait. Maybe? Maybe I like it. It doesn't add too much, but it's there. I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this little addition. Is it 2 rice? But I don't even care if it's 2 rice. I don't know. I'll keep it on for a little bit and see what I feel about it. And before I finish this off, I'm gonna have, just to make it look like one piece. Y'all can't even see the sticker, but give me a second. Bam. Does that make it look better? A little bit? Hello, Shindaru? So yes, there is a little gap here where it doesn't stick completely through, but I can always replace it, no problem. So since the rear spoiler lip is on, one more look at it for you guys right there. I mean, I'm getting the hang of it. It doesn't look that bad to me. I like it. But bad news is the rear visor didn't come with double-sided tape on it. So this will be for another video, but let's see if we can mock it up again for you guys. So I mean, mocked up, I think it looks nice, and I might for sure go with it. I mean, I bought it, so might as well, right? There it is. So for today, I'm pretty much done, but I will continue this video tomorrow with Phung and get you guys a little behind the scenes of our shoot for our clothing brand. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.